So I got another fridge here that is going to be tore down. Doesn't look the best on the top with scratches, but it's actually really nice on the inside. It will not cool down despite us working on it. I got a nice little thermal gun here and we're shooting it, and it's staying at 64 degrees, which is ambient temperature. So it ain't working, even though the lights are on. That tells us that it's either a thermal control issue or it is a compressor issue. Now, if you've ever priced fixing that on a fridge, you're looking at anywhere from $500 to $1,000. But the simple way that we know that it ain't working is that we just replaced the relay here to make sure the compressor itself is working. And you can kind of feel the compressor working and running. It's a little bit warm and it's kind of making a noise. But what is a real telltale sign on this unit is this right here. This is called a process tube, and this is what you use to refill a unit on freon. What's interesting with it is that this unit's only about 4 or 5 years old. It was sold to someone from another appliance store back in February, and I got it in as a trade-in because it wasn't working in October. So whatever they did to the unit to fix possibly it being low on freon only lasted 6 months, because they never actually figured out where it was leaking. They just pumped it full of freon, sold the unit to someone else. And for us, it's really not worth fixing the freon, so I am just going to tear the unit down.